Welcome to Turtle's Nest Villa, which is located in Treasure Beach, Jamaica. Treasure Beach is located on the south coast of Jamaica, and I had the privilege to explore some of the south coast, all while enjoying my stay at Turtle's Nest. I'm going to give you all a glimpse of the property, but you can find more footage on my TikTok or Instagram, which are both linked below. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the tour. Turtle's Nest has 3-bedroom and 3.5 bathroom inside of the villa. This is their spacious living room that can lead you directly to the pool. The living room area has a flat screen television and local cable, plus there's Wi-Fi on the property. I also want to mention that there is only television in the living room, but not in any of the bedrooms. This is the kitchen that comes fully equipped with all of the plating, silverware, pots, pans, and appliances that you may need. The villa does come with a free personal chef, and the only thing you have to purchase are the groceries. I personally didn't take advantage of their chef services. I was constantly in and out of the property, but using their chef is up to your discretion. This is the dining room area that overlooks the pool and the sea. I definitely enjoyed being able to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. Here is bedroom number 1 of 3, which is located downstairs, and this is the only downstairs bedroom in the villa. This is the connected bathroom, and the thing I love most is each bedroom has its own private bathroom. Upstairs, you will find the remaining 2 bedrooms, but this is the 2nd bedroom and the only room that has 2 beds. This is the bathroom that's connected and the only bathroom on the property that has a sit-down tub. This is the outside sit-down area where you can have all of your meals here as well. And I forgot to mention that the villa does have 2 very friendly dogs on the property. These are the lounge chairs that sit right in front of the pool where you can dry off after just going for a swim or even sunbathing. All in all, I 100% enjoyed my full stay here at Turtle's Nest, and to see more footage of the property, head over to my TikTok or Instagram, which is linked in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah.